Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable JavaScript in Google Chrome. This feature allows websites to run smoothly, especially for things like videos, buttons, and animations. So if some sites aren't displaying properly, JavaScript might be turned off. Let's fix that together. Let's start with desktop. Open your Chrome browser and click the three dots at the top right corner, then choose Settings. On the left panel, click Privacy and Security, then go to Site Settings. Now scroll down until you find Content and click on JavaScript. You'll see two options. Sites can use JavaScript and don't allow sites to use JavaScript. To enable it, simply turn on the first option that says Sites can use JavaScript. That's it! You've successfully turned it on, and all websites will now display interactive content correctly. Now for mobile users, open your Chrome app and tap the three dots at the top right corner. Next, tap Settings. Then scroll down and tap Site Settings. Now scroll down to find Content, and under Content, choose JavaScript. Just like on desktop, you'll see a switch if it's off. Tap it to turn it on. Now, websites can run scripts properly on your phone too. If you ever want to disable it again for privacy reasons, just follow the same steps and toggle it off. Enabling JavaScript helps pages load dynamic elements like videos, menus, and forms, so it's usually best to keep it on. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more easy tech tips every week.